Welcome everyone. We'll start our last lesson. Today lesson will go through our LO3, learning outcome 3. As you know me, my name is Anjum Sattar. Please, if you have any question, drop me email anjum@ukversity.co.uk. Today lesson key focus will be our assignment discussion, and we'll go through all the learning outcome, which will go through how we can address within our assignment brief. And please, make sure you complete your assignment within 2 weeks after this lesson. And in between, if you have any question, please drop me email. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So we'll start, So today lesson will go through, please, our assignment brief for this unit is available on our Moodle page. So always good to be, we have a cover page, assignment on. So we'll go through the content of the unit, which we covered during our lesson, and our unit was ethics, social, and so ethics, social, and political issues in accounting. We had a discussion about during last lesson. We discussed about various legislation we have to follow. Okay, then we are going. So it's 3. So that's, and submission by student number can include school of UK. So that's, where your campus is based on. So please, that can be your cover page, and we need to be make sure you have a cover page and declaration page as well. Declaration form, which is available on our Moodle page. So next, please, second page, we can leave it for content. It will say the content page. Hope you can see all. Please, anybody, any questions? If you have, you can ask. Okay, so we'll go through. So just 1 second, I'll share with you. We'll go through the assignment, and we look at assignment brief first before moving forward. So assignment brief will be available on our Moodle page. So please, you can follow our Moodle page. Okay, let's please share with you, and we'll start. Okay. So you can hear me. Yes. Anybody, any question, please? If you have, those are listening this recording, please, if you have any question, drop me email anjum@ukversity.co.uk, and I'll try my best, get back to you. So we've been given the assignment brief. Please, so we learn about LO1, which is about, understand the use of accounting software. We had a discussion. Second, we discuss about understand the fundamental ethics behaviors. And third, we discuss about working ethically, legally with all the stakeholders. So we had a discussion about different stakeholders, how we can meet the expectation of different stakeholders. So we had a discussion in all these is a lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. We had 3 lessons. Okay, so we've been given the assignment brief. So please is a level 3, the unit, and please, we can include the unit code as well in our. So you have recently employed as a trainee accountant based in Manchester. So please, you've been given the critical thinking, research, planning, gathering information. All you have to follow the scenario. Yes, as a part of the program, there are the number of the tasks, and activity must be completed to be successfully pass your induction to become a permanent member of staff, in such induction unit is ethical, social, and political issues as the title of the unit. In this key skills, critical thinking, planning, organizing, research, all will be which we can focus on. So let's look, what is the first task. Task first is that describe the features of the accounting software. So what is accounting software? Is mean the systematic record of the transaction in the software such as the Sage. We discuss about, and I gave you lesson 1 slide. Those are quite good to use, so please, follow those slides, and we can discuss about, the functionalities like, the nominal code we have in account in the software, and they're easy to track the transaction. We have a customer account numbers, we have the invoice numbers, we can trace with the codes, and we can trace with the customer account numbers, and their addresses, our outstanding invoices as well. So explain the main application of the accounting software. Accounting software, we have the ledgers, we have financial statement we can prepare, we can track the balances, we can prepare the financial account and the management account, the setup accounts we can prepare, annual reports, explain how we can, the software is useful. So software is very useful. We'll carry on entering the record in the system, and then we can generate, all the financial statement at the end of the period. So we can give the period, we can look around. So please, if you want to, you can add the example out about, such as which I mentioned you a couple of, like I gave you example of Sage, and I mentioned you Sage is a good. So please, you can follow for this task is your lesson 1, which is our lecture 1. So we can go through lesson 1 slides, and we can pick the material. Other than that, I'm going to give you the book, which is the Sage. Yes, as well. You can use the Zero, any software. It's absolutely fine to demonstrate how help to prepare the account. So we can reference to it, save the time, it's increase the productivity in our organization, and we can include, of course, sometimes is a drawback of accounting software, because it can be, system can be hacked, it can be a risk, the data security can be an issue. So please, so these will be the key points we can describe accounting software. So please, we can give in our assignment these as a heading. Okay, can you see all? Okay, so we can say task 1, we can say describe is our heading 2, then explain, and we can discuss about state. And if you want, please, merit criteria. So we can look around the merit criteria, and please work toward the distinction criteria, the role of accounting software. So other than that, of course, we can find the stuff, from the Google Scholar. We have a Kaplan website during our delivery, which I mentioned you a couple of times. So which we can use, I'll send you that template as well at the end of the lesson. That's also help you. Okay, so next we task 2. So task 2 is based on our LO2 and 3. Can you see all? Hope you can see, please. Task 2 is based on our LO2 and 3. You will see underneath task 2 is based on our learning outcome 2 and 3. And that's, which we can. So you can open the lesson slide, lecture slide of LO2, and you can look around LO3. Okay, so we can discuss about we can explain ethical principles, money laundering legislation, which I mentioned you, and then we had a discussion about importance of organizational and professional code of ethics, which we can, and then we can look around for merit criteria. Yeah. So please, we can focus about, we can include the example of, I'm going to send you good few examples. So please to read and add them into, okay. So I'll refer back to you couple of things, so I'm going to share with you, and those books will be available on our Moodle page. So this will be called assignment template that will be available on Moodle page, which share for you and will share. So please, you can follow. So thus we can. I'm quickly going to share with you few books, which I'll share with you and send you as well. That also helps you. So, okay, guys. So I'm going to share with you the Sage software, so you can read about the software. You can add it some examples which you can pick it, like a nominal code, how we can generate the final account or the reports. Yeah, like we can generate the trial balance. Yeah, how we can set up account. That's help to generate the final accounts. It's just a demonstration. You don't have to generate yourself, but that's so you've been given a lot of examples here, so you can pick from this booklet as well if you want to. Other than that, I shared with you the PowerPoint slide. Those are quite good to use. That's also help you. So that's about your task one, which will help you about accounting software. So second year task is about second year task, please. Hope you can see as well. Second hour task is about ethics, moral principles. So please, we can read from, I'm going to give you the booklet as well, separate. If you search in Google, so please go here, say ethics and Kaplan. Okay? So we can find the professional code of ethics, or what is meant by fundamental ethics. So ethics mean the moral principles. So there are a couple of examples you can find is about ethics. Okay? So for organization, ethics are important to read decision making, corruption, bribery, corporate ethics are very important. So I'm including the link for you in our slides to read about ethics and the moral principles. So we can discuss about ethics. We can discuss about professional code of ethics. So I'll go back to, if you type, say of ethics, Kaplan. So you will find the Kaplan publisher, professional and corporate ethics. So you will see what is the profession, what are the professional code of ethics. So in account. So we discuss popular people chat enough says, do you care, objectivity, integrity. So these are all fundamental code of ethics. So that's the link is available to read up ethics, ethical behavior. That also help you. I'm going to include for you giving you the book that's also help you to prepare yours. So guys, I'm going to include the booklet for you. So that's about ethics, professional code of practices, skills, which is in a profession you required. Yes, ethics and sustainability and threats, self-interest, self-review, how these can be compromised, code of ethics. So that's also help you. So I will include that for you. Working effectively in finance. Yes, that booklet will be available and 5 code of ethics is all there. So you will see there. You look within the book. So that take you straight to ethics and sustainability, ethical code of practices. So you can save that. That also help you. And you can say working effectively and ethics and ethical considerations. That's also quite good to use. Okay, so quickly I'll show you. Okay, guys, so that's quite crucial, which we need to look around. And in our assignment discussion, which we can do all the ethics, professional code of ethics, rules and regulation, which is based on learning outcome 2 and 3. We had a discussion, so you have a slide, equal lecture slide, then you do the conclusion. Always please, that's you can make it heading 1, and then make sure your reference page as well, references, cross-reference in your discussion, and where you get the information, use the Harvard reference, find the guidance, and then please, when we finish our second page, you look around reference, uh, the table of contents on your left hand side, and then look, how to create the table of content, which you've never done before on the YouTube, plenty of stuff. So you can structure like this: task 1, task 2, conclusions, and all the key headings, which are included for you. So you can structure your assignment, make sure the reference list should be there, and you add, the list of the references, make sure, structure and do the proofread as well. So that's, I included all the stuff. I gave you the books, the last link I can include further for you, accounting software. A link, how software can help, So that's, I included the books and the links available as well. So that's also help you. If you want accounting software zero, or you want accounting software, so few links are there if you want to look around. can. Huh? So I refer back. So in this way, you can structure your assignment, make sure do the proofread, final submission, and try to complete your assignment within 2 weeks. Anybody any question before we finish? No. So please make sure complete your assignment. If you have any questions, drop me email, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for attending, and have a lovely evening. And speak to you during our next delivery of the unit. Thank you. Bye bye.